it's me. Am I covering too much of the screen? Yeah. Yeah, I am. Hi, 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 hi. Okay. Do you hear that? Okay, let's see. Oh, maybe not yet, not yet. Beep! Beep! Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. So why does he look so sad? Hi everyone, my name is John Sekiro. You're wondering, how did you get here? Why is half of your face so dusty? Huh, well, truth be told, I don't really know. One night I just woke up and suddenly there was like, I was smaller than everyone else. So I was like, is this normal or is it the game? Am I small or is everyone else tall? So I took my katana into my hand and decided I would protect the child which was in front of me. And then I killed everyone. For justice. Thanks, Sekiro. Very cool. So, are you okay? Do you hear his katana slashing? Wow. It's an incense burner. Incense. It smells like... I don't know what incense smells like. Smells like incense. I personally don't like incense. I get a headache from it. I'm sensitive. So loud. Ah! Wait. Wait. That scared me so badly. It really scared me. It scared me so badly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! Yay! Easy, easy. Giraffe? More like I laugh at your feeble attempt of stopping me. Whatever you were stopping me from, I don't know. From living, I guess. Easy. Opening. Oh my god! Okay. Get your head cut off, you stupid monkey! That's what I think about you! That's what I think about you! Okay, I died once. Yeah. That's so mean! Like, that's so mean! 1 sec, it's cold. I gotta close the window. What do you? Make. My neck. Okay, that's annoying. 1 sec. Imagine you're about to die and all you hear is. They're kind of weak. Honestly, I'm disappointed. Ah! Uh-oh. No, I don't want to target the little bug. Silly game. Stop targeting the bug. Stop targeting. Come on! I'm sorry! Roberto! Oh, I got a prayer beat! Nice! How did I get that? Oh, I got a new skill. Hi. I'm back. I got some chips. Yummy. Bon appetit! You want one? You can have one. Mogu. Here you go. Okay. There you go. There we go. Yay! Clean! I got a prayer bead! Woo! Yay! I'm fine. Almost died, but totally fine. Completely fine. Completely under control. Bait her there and then push her into the corner. Oh, there you, she went all by herself. Didn't even have to bait her. Well. One second, I'm hacking the game. One second, I'm just gonna hack the game real quick. Just gonna hack it. I'm just gonna no more enemy interaction. One shot every you turning sticky keys on. Please! Anything but that! One sec, I wanna check something. Checking how to hack the game. One sec, I'm checking something. Okay, I'm back. I hacked the game now. Ooh, Cecilia, why did you get so good all of a sudden? Well, that's just, you know, trade secret.
By the way, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a notification.